The proper way to use Google/Facebook ads to drive organic traffic. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on the e-commerce know-how channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can drive up your organic traffic through ads on Facebook and Google. Stay tuned to watch this video right until the end if you are just starting out and running an online store and want tips to get organic traffic. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe. Also turn on the bell for notifications. Make sure to never miss another video. With that said, let's begin. Regardless of your business model, incorporating Facebook ads into your market funnel can be a dependable way to drive customers to the site and ultimately boost sales. The concept is simple enough. Your target prospective buyers on Facebook with an ad. But when it comes to Facebook, the real key is how to create sustainable traffic. In other words, campaigns that will deliver traffic reliably month over month. There's a lot of ways that visitors can convert other than just purchasing something. While conversion is the eventual goal, the runners are up soft conversations like the following. Number 1, generate new email subscribers. You want your visitors to subscribe to a newsletter or fill out a lead form, which means they've opted in and given you their email, which will in turn give you more opportunities to reach them and get back to your site. In this scenario, they're not purchasing, but they're asking for more information about your company, your product, or services. Typically, we use a number of different opt-in formats across the site. Number 2, build your retargeting pool. A retargeting pool is a group of visitors to your site who we can target with various offers and messages. Retargeting is often cheaper than generating first-time visitors with traffic sources like PPC on Google AdWords and Bing. So if we can drive a large number of affordable visits from Facebook ads, and then we retarget those users again with Facebook ads, we can reach a broader audience of potential buyers with our given campaign budget. The trade-off, however, is that these users convert less often than visitors from paid search campaigns. Our goal here is to drive relevant traffic from your target audience and get them to complete one of these soft conversations. Interesting blog posts that speak to your target buyers, long-form content that speaks to your user needs, downloadable buyer's guides to your product service, and here are some examples of Facebook ad formats and they're typically used to generate a hard conversion. Discounts and coupons. Upcoming events. Highlight some recent press you've received on your product, an example of this later. The next question you need to answer is which type of Facebook ad is most appropriate for your goals. The answer could be both, and that's a trick to using Facebook ads to generate continual traffic, not just occasional bursts. Our real goal is to drive lots of visitors to our site who fit into the target audience, then turn them into an email subscriber, add them to retargeting pools, and then attract these visitors back to the site with sales messaging in order to produce an actual lead or sale. Facebook ad examples. Let's look at some examples of each type of ad. If you're looking to drum up general brand awareness and give people something interesting to read in hopes that you'll get super low CPCs as a result, you might try an approach like this blog post/interview from Wealthsimple. Take note of the clear and simple call to action at the end of their post. If you have a new or innovative product in some way, the simplest approach is to simply highlight your product's key value to your audience. The example from software companies Atlas focuses on their key problem that try to solve related finding things that you looked at on your computer. How to use Facebook ads to drive sustainable traffic and boost sales. If it's a long sales cycle, such as an enterprise software purchase, your best approach might be keep showing them unique aspects of your product. This example of BigCommerce shows off one of their product features that are likely a selling point for e-commerce shop owners who want to sell on Amazon. Once a user makes it to your site, it's important to give them options once they're there, a free download, a coupon, or something else that's valuable to them. And remember, target tightly. You want to identify audiences closer to 5,000 or 50,000 people, not a million people. Remember, you don't have to exclude people who don't purchase from your ad campaign. Some studies say at least 7 to 10 visits to a site before making a sale. It really depends on your business category and the customer base. So it's important to know your customer buying process, which means researching and testing. This is a lengthy process. The bottom line, Facebook advertising isn't a big mystery, but it does take an understanding of your customer base and concrete goal with the appropriate messaging to achieve it. It may take some research into your category or some testing its different types of ads to figure it out, but that extra legwork should pay off and turn Facebook ads into a sustainable, profitable part of your business. So there you have it, beginner tips to drive organic traffic to your online store. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.